Slam. Hi, hope you will be fine. Today our topic is how to create PPC, pay-per-click. This is Amazon marketing campaign to boost your business on Amazon and rank as well. This is the main segment of Amazon platform because your ranking depend on your campaign strategy to rank your products and generate handsome amount of profit. And it's require experience to become an expert in this segment. So, sign into Amazon Seller Center. Then go to Advertising and select Campaign Manager. Then click on Add New Campaign. There are 3 types of campaign. First, sponsored products. It's mean you can rank your products through keywords and product targeting. Second, sponsored brand. Help audience to discover your brand on Amazon with rich engagement. Third, sponsored display. Grow your business with relevant audience and off Amazon. Mine is sponsored product. Then click on Continue. Add the group name if you want to remember your campaign in future. And then add the product. Then 2 type of targeting types. First, automatic targeting. It's depend on Amazon AI, which mostly require huge budget for targeted keywords. Second, manual targeting. It's depend on you and you can create your own keywords research list of your product according to keywords analysis criteria. Then select it. There are 2 type of manual targeting. First, keywords targeting. This option help you to target your products through keyword research on Amazon. Second, product targeting. This option help you to target your products through competitor products. You just need to put their ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number, to target your niche. Mine is keywords targeting. In this option you have 3 types. First, suggested. This option give you automatic suggested keywords extract from Amazon AI algorithm. Second, enter list. This option is depend on you and you can put your own targeted keywords according to keywords analysis criteria. Third, upload file. This option help you to save your time and upload on it through file of your keywords sheet. And also you have sub option, which is bid. 3 kind of bids. First, suggested bids give you suggestion for bids and you can adjust it according to suggestion. Second, custom bid, you can customize according to your budget. Third, default bids, link all keywords on same bid as you select as default bid. So I go for suggested bid. Then 3 kind of filer. First, broad, it's target your product in broad way. Second, phrase, it's target your product through phrases. Third, exact, it's target your product according to close match keyword, which is directly target to your product. I select all because this is the starting stage of the product launching. And you can sort by order. So I select and enter the list. Because I have my own product keyword research sheet of targeted keywords. And enter 11 to 15 top rated keywords. Then after spending time on this campaign you will observe which keyword you need to remove or adjust the bid according to performance on it, etc. So open the sheet and copy the keywords and paste it. Then click Add Keywords and you can see the list of keywords with bids and you can adjust too. And you can also add negative keywords for safe side to wasted of money on irrelevant keywords. The 3 type of budget strategy. First, dynamic bids down only, it's lower your bids and less chances to convert to sale. This option available mostly. For an example, select this when your PPC spending is high and also product is ranked, so you can go for it. Second, dynamic bids up and down, Amazon increase your bids when your ad is more likely to convert to a sale, and same pro se when your ad no more likely to convert to a sale, then budget will be decrease. Third, fixed bids, this option match to exact bid and adjust by manually and can't be changed like other bids option. So I select fixed bids because more attractive and budget friendly. Then you can put campaign name, start and end date. Then set your daily budget for whole campaign, means it not excess according to your specified budget. And then launch the campaign. You will see your campaign successfully launched. Then click on Amazon Ads. Now you are in Campaign Management dashboard. Select any campaign which you like to customize. See the ad group. You can see the graph. Then select targeting, where you can see added keywords performance and you can customize. Then select negative targeting, where you can put negative keywords to save your money on wasting keywords which is irrelevant. Then click on search term. You can see the graph, clicks, orders, etc. Then click on add group setting, where you can adjust budget, active status, etc. Then click on history and graph for analysis, and you can improve your PPC. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share.